you so much for watching. This is Melanie Engel of Flamingo Beach Realty, your premier luxury brokerage here in this gorgeous Guanacaste, Costa Rica. Today, we are in a gated community called Hassienda Pinilla, and we are at a beachfront community called Golondrinas. I cannot wait to show you this incredible house, Rocamar. It's a 6-bedroom, massive, incredible home here. Please enjoy this property tour with us today. When you walk through the front door with this gorgeous swing teak door, you have to decide, do you go to the pool in the backyard, which is the first thing you see? Do you head to the bedroom wing, or do you head to the right to the social area? Casa Rocamar is 7,233 square feet. It sleeps 18 to 20 people, and it's designed to host huge groups. You have indoor and outdoor living. This luxurious home was built in 2023. I love the kitchen that it's got a whole huge U shape to it. There's plenty of space to host everybody, and it's got these massive teak vaulted ceilings with lights everywhere. There's a massive covered outdoor space here with a barbecue and plenty of sitting areas. So if you're just talking, some people can be playing in the pool, some people can be playing volleyball, and other kids can be just running around the yard. On the left side of the house, you're going to find the sleeping quarters. First, we're going to find a bedroom that's a king bed. You'll find a master bedroom that's a king bed. And upstairs, you're going to find 3 guest bedrooms that are all 2 queens each. And you also have a small bedroom on this side. Here we'll find a king bed, a wall of these beautiful wooden closets, and plenty of windows to let in the natural light. The bedroom wing, you're going to find a second social area. This is great if you've got kids or 2 different families. You can split them up and everybody can have their own privacy. What's great here is you've got this 2-level vaulted ceilings with beautiful teak wood and this incredible lampshade that was custom made for the owner. Here is the downstairs principal bedroom. It's very spacious and super beautiful. You have a king bed. You've got an ensuite bathroom with 2 sinks, a huge walk-in closet, and a beautiful shower. And you've got plenty of windows and these patio doors that take you out to this amazing backyard. The master bedroom was designed to be wheelchair accessible, so it has wider doorways, this massive bathroom, and this shower you can wheel your chair right in that has these gorgeous skylights. Here is bedroom number 3. Bedrooms 3, 4, and 5 both have 2 queen beds. That means it sleeps 12 people just on the 2nd floor. This house is currently a vacation rental, and it does very well because it sleeps a lot of people. Here's bedroom number 4. Outside this window, you see another house being built, and when it's finished, which will be in a few months, everything will be built all around this home. Here is bedroom number 5. This home comes fully furnished, turnkey, with everything you need to do to come enjoy this beautiful property in Costa Rica. This is one of my favorite spots in the home, the top floor with all the bedrooms. You've got the beautiful lamp, you've got glass on both sides, and it opens up to let in the fresh breezes. You have paradise in your own backyard with a tropical oasis. You've got mature jungle trees. You've got this gorgeous landscaping. You have your own volleyball court, a pool, plenty of space for dogs, families, kids, everyone to enjoy the paradise here in Costa Rica. Even on the bedroom wing, there's so much covered outdoor space. And you've got this beautiful Sukabumi pool to cool off in. From your backyard, there's a door that takes you right to the ocean. Come on, let's go check it out. A short walk from your home, you'll find this beautiful beach. It's great for cooling off in hot Costa Rican days or coming to watch the sunset. Inside Hacienda Pinilla, you also have access to amazing beaches like Playa Avianes and Playa Lagosa, which are known for their surf and their beautiful white sand. Hacienda Pinilla is 4,500 acres of pure outdoor playground. Here you've got hiking and biking trails, you've got amazing roads for bike riding, you've got tennis, you've got pickleball, you've got surfing, you have everything you can imagine just to enjoy this beautiful life here in Costa Rica. Hacienda Pinilla has a beautiful 18-hole golf course that has mountain views and also ocean views. Hacienda has this amazing beach club. It's got a resort-style pool, you've got a gym, and you've got world-class surfing right in front, a restaurant and bar to keep everyone happy. If you would like this dream property to be yours and you would like to be steps away from the beach, please check out my website, FlamingoBeachRealty.com, or give me a call on WhatsApp. I would love to talk to you. Have a beautiful day. Pura vida.